So, you're visiting the World Trade Center or you're visiting the 9/11 Museum, and you've decided to go to the Battery to get the Statue of Liberty boat or the Staten Island Ferry. And here's how to do it. There are many small streets that will take you to the Battery. However, the more interesting one is to walk down Broadway. It's about a 15 to 20 minute walk to get to the Battery, and there's lots to see. Okay, so we begin our tour, go past the 9/11 Memorial, walk along the South Pool, that's Greenwich Street you're on, hang a left at the very next street, that's Engine Company 10, that's where you're taking your left, that is Liberty Street, just to give you some references. That is St. Nicholas Church still being built, that's Liberty Street looking west, and that's Greenwich Street where you just came from. Anyhow, we're now walking east on Liberty Street, going past World Trade Center 3, the Liberty Street entrance. And now as I look back, that's Trinity Place. We're still heading east, and we are still walking along Liberty Street, heading east towards Broadway. As soon as you come to Broadway, which is right ahead, you're going to hang a right. As you hang a right, you'll be looking west along Zuccotti Park. That's Broadway and Liberty. Walk straight down Broadway with the traffic flow, which is south. You'll see the entrance to Wall Street. And in case it's confusing as to where that is, it's directly opposite Trinity Church. Two famous spots, Trinity Church and Wall Street, right next to each other. Continue walking south on Broadway. It looks like this. Of course, there's construction, there always is in New York. And eventually you'll come to the Bull, the famous Bull. And there you can stop for a few minutes, take some photos if you like, and just keep walking south. And soon you'll come upon the American Indian Museum with a big plaza in front. You're doing fine. Across the street, you'll see a huge park. That's Battery Park. As you look around, you'll see all kinds of fences. That's to get lines, especially during the spring, summer, and fall, waiting to get on the boat to the Statue of Liberty. If that's your wish, you're there. And there's the boat with passengers coming back from the Statue of Liberty, waiting to dock. And then if you look to the right, you see this huge crowd, which is always there. Hopefully it'll be yourself, and that takes you to the Statue of Liberty. If you keep walking to the very end of Battery Park, you'll see the entrance to Staten Island Ferry Terminal. It's free. It's 22 minutes across. Bye-bye.